Are you confused about what you need to disclose as a seller when selling the house? Join us as we share essential insights gained in transactions with over hundreds of homes. Learn why proper disclosure is crucial for staying out of litigation and ensuring a smooth transaction process. Discover the key disclosures required in California and why over disclosure is better than under disclosure. Don't risk legal trouble. Watch now and sell your home with confidence. Hi, this is Suma, and today we are tackling a crucial topic: what to disclose when selling your home. Trust me, proper disclosure is the key to a successful and hassle-free transaction. After doing hundreds of transactions and not a single lawsuit for non-disclosure, I can confidently say that disclosing the right information is paramount. Let us dive into what you need to know. First things first, as a homeowner, you are required to disclose anything that has been repaired, replaced, modified, or changed in your home's history. This includes everything from major renovations to minor touch-ups like painting walls or changing the carpet in California. There is a lot of list of disclosures that need to be filled out and disclosed to potential buyers. From property features to neighborhood information, it is all about transparency and protecting both the parties involved in the transaction. Remember, when in doubt, disclose. Over disclosure is always better than the under disclosure, and it is your best defense against legal trouble down the road. You want the buyer to know everything you know about the home to avoid any surprises or disputes later on. By disclosing them properly, you can rest assured that you are protecting yourself from potential litigation and ensuring a smooth closing process. And if you are thinking about selling your home, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We have helped hundreds of people just like you, and we would love to help you too. Remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. So, let us sell your home with confidence and peace of mind. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. Thanks for checking and make it a great day.